TextToNC. The current version for this application is version 3. I've done some quite 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 big updates. Yeah. Once you download the zip file, the zip file, the download link is at the comment area, so you can check out the comment area, and you just copy this zip file to anywhere that you want to put the software. So just unzip it. No need to set up, right? So it is a portable software. And the first time you click on the TextToNC exe file, it will activate 30 days trial. Okay, so let's do it now. The trial has been activated. Then okay. Then you need to start again. And this is the current version 3 expired on this date. The function of this application is to convert any text that you key in here into G-code. Okay, so to do this, first you need to choose your machine, which machine the program is. Okay, I have a sample Fauna Heidenhain and a G-code without Z move, and also the sample for robot code also. So in this case, I'm going to use the Fauna. And after you choose this one, if you want to key in the file name for the program, you can key in here. If not, then the first line of the text will be the file name. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next, if this is a robot, then you need to key in the join move and the ABC value, okay, for the approach and the retract. Okay, if this is just a 3-axis CNC, no need. So for 3-axis CNC, you just key in the value for this XYZ. So I'm setting the approach for the 2 to be 0, 0, and Z is 100, same as retract. Okay, after you've done this, you just click convert, and then you can see this will be the output G code. Okay, this will be the G code. For G code, you can do some simulation by click on this icon here. Okay, and this will be the code. Okay, and how about if you want to change the size of the text? You can do it. You just go to the setting. By default, there's no password unless you set some password here for some reasons. This is all the setting that you can set, the size, the space, things like that. Okay. Beside the setting for the text size, you have also the program format. For example, if you want to add something to the start of the program, you come here, just add it, click, right, and this is code. 3/ is command. That means if the software see this in a line, it will ignore this line. Okay, all the variable that you can use to output is begin with a $sign. Okay, for example, look here, mean x mean, or I can add a extra line if I need. So you can edit this. Maybe I copy these variables and put here. Then make sure you save the file after you edit. and close it, right? So after you change any setting over here, you need to click update to update the setting, and then just convert again. And now we can see that PLG ABCD. Okay, here. So the setting is easy, simple. What if you want to add one more machine into the machine list? How to do that? Okay, it's easy. Let's close it. What you need is to go to the machine. Do you see this one? Just make a copy, one of it, you know. Just make a copy and paste, right? And maybe give a name, Maybe this one I put in, change to maybe Okuma, right? So don't change anything to this file here. Just copy the folder, duplicate the folder, and okay. So after you duplicate it, when you reopen the software, then you can see there's another option for Okuma CNC over here. By then you can change, go to the setting, the Okuma setting, and edit the program format for these machines. Okay, so this is how you add an extra machine if needed. Thank you.